Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I want to talk to you guys about a couple of products I ordered offline. These are the NC Star AK-47 Picatinny rail mount receiver covers. They're very beautiful. I ordered 2 of them off Carolina Shooters. I checked for reviews. I really couldn't find any reviews. It kept asking me, do you want to be the first one to leave a review? But there was really no reviews on these. You know, at first glance, I'm like, wow, what a great idea. It replaces the original dust cover for your AK-47. You might have to do some slight modifications to it. But at $30 a piece, you know, you couldn't go wrong if you're looking for something to put an optic or dedicated red dot onto your AK-47. It was a great investment. But nothing makes me more fucking mad is when I spend my hard-earned money in these fucking companies and they know they're selling shit, but they continue to keep selling their fucking shit without taking it off the line. So originally the problem was the hole here in the back where the recoil spring comes out of was too fucking small. So after filing it down and fitting it onto one of my AKs, I tried this on 5 different AKs and it's all the same problem. Again, I couldn't find any reviews to give me a heads up before I bought this junk. They give you these 2 screws here in the back of it that are basically, they're fucking useless. They do absolutely nothing. Like, I'm angry that I spent my hard-earned money on this without knowing what I was buying in the beginning, because like I said, there wasn't really no reviews that I could find when I purchased this. I probably should have investigated a little bit more, but as you can see, it looks very good on there, right guys? I mean, it'd be great to put an optic on here or a red dot on this AK-47. The problem is, it'll never hold a 0 because it's gonna fall off. I mean, it falling off just from barely doing anything with it. I can imagine what it's gonna do when I shoot it. So even after trying to fit it, filing the hole or doing multiple modifications to it, it's useless. It just will not fucking fit. And then the one that I didn't file off, as you can see, it's supposed to. It's got these 2 metal prongs here that you could spread out that would open up and fit the front trunnion of your AK-47, and then a little piece right here, which would be this piece that goes underneath the sight. Goes right underneath the front sight here. But even with this little one, having it pushed in all the way, it doesn't hold. Like I said, they give you these 2 screws here that on the back of your trunnion, they're useless. They don't do absolutely nothing. The 2 screws are supposed to go right here in these 2 spots right here, but like I said, it doesn't hold it down at all. You know, without making it come off. It's fucking junk, and I'm angry that I spent my hard-earned money on this garbage that's completely fucking useless junk. So, like I said, I tried on multiple AKs. As you can see, when you fit your original dust cover onto your AK-47, it's a nice finish. In the back here on the rear trunnion, you see where the back of this dust cover, fits perfectly right down inside of here on this rear trunnion here. That's the proper fit, you know. That's the proper fit for it. Let me show you this other one. So even on this other AK, like I said, nothing holds the front of it together. This is supposed to slide underneath your front sight like the normal dust cover does. But even if you do that, and you grind on it or file it open, I bent the back of this because if you look at the back of these two, you can see how off they are. They're nowhere near being perfect to being the same. So even after trying to fit it the best as you can, where the back of it would hold down in here in the rear trunnion and tighten up the screws, nothing holds it down. Like, it's absolute garbage that they sell this. So after I got them and tried them on multiple AKs and it wouldn't fit, I got really mad. So I started investigating a little bit harder online, and I did find I think it was Optics Planet. I finally found a spot on Optics Planet where people that bought them said don't buy it because they're fucking garbage. And you know what's amazing is there's a bunch of reviews of people complaining about these dust covers that don't fit and they don't work, but yet these companies continue to sell them on your website. The NC Star company itself on their website won't let you post a review or read a review, but yet they continue to sell this knowing that this is garbage. And mind you, it was $35. It's not a big deal, but it is a big deal. You know, when you spend your hard-earned money on something and it doesn't work, and they know it doesn't work, but yet they continue to sell it and not take the item off their website. So that's my gripe, guys. Just a heads up, if you're thinking about buying this NC Star, don't waste your money. They do not fit on any AKs. It said specifically for any stamped receivers that it would fit any AK, AKMs, whatever. But guys, it doesn't fit. I just showed you on 2 AKs. The normal dust cover, there's no play in it at all. It doesn't move. If you wiggle it, nothing. And where it locks here in the back, see how that sits nice and flush back there? These won't even do that. And like I said, even if you bend it and tweak it, like I said, I filed the hole bigger here for the recoil spring rear end part of it. It's still, no matter what adjustment you do, you can get it to fit in there. Like I said, I got it filed down to where it fits in there. But again, there's nothing to hold it on. That's it. How are you going to put an optic mount on this or a red dot? And like I said, they give you these 2 screws here that's supposed to adjust it to lock it to the rear trunnion, but it does not. It does nothing. Look at that. So that's my my gripe. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. We're almost at 700 subscribers, so thank you guys very much. If you haven't checked out my other videos, check out my other video about these new charging handles that I put on the AKs. So far, so good. I'm going to get them to the range and shoot them and see how they last with the red Loctite. Or if not, I got some Gorilla Glue 2-step epoxy that I'm going to use. The only thing is I plan on buying a whole new bolt carrier group just to have on standby, extra ones. You can buy them, the whole brand new bolt carrier group with the bolt and all. Some of them even come with the front trunnion for $230. That's not bad. I have no issues with my trunnions right now, but I like having backup parts, you know what I mean? I ordered 2 of these from Carolina Shooters for like $20 a piece. So far so good. They seem to work real good on the AK. I'll get it out and shoot it and see how it does. But guys, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. If you're thinking about buying this rail dust cover from NC Star, don't. You're going to regret it. They do not fit. No matter how much modification you do, they won't work. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a great weekend.